Hi guys, today we're going to cover basic steps how to install your Grom interface system with your Nissan Pathfinder. First, what you need to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal and move it in. Start pulling out plastic panels from the back to the front. Just using a plastic pry bar. Don't use the metal screwdrivers on any tools. You don't want to damage and little marks on your nice interior. Pull the metal clip out and pull the handle of your driver shifter. Then you see I placed the transmission to the drive position, will leave me more room to work on it. And you also need to pull it out the middle part of the console like that. Then you're going to remove 4 hex screws. Yeah, you can do it, not that complicated, pretty simple. Don't rush, don't force, just think about it. I will put a manual link from Grom how to go precisely step by step of that installation precision. Pull the box out, put it away. Give yourself more space to work on it. You see 2 10mm bolts, you want to remove them. Just start working on the upper part of the central stereo console. Go from one side to another. I started on the bottom, it seems to be easier to remove it. And then move to the top, move to one corner, middle, and another corner, will come out. You see a Grom interface installation into Nissan and Infiniti. Just follow that simple diagram. It's male-female connectors. Now, hard to go wrong. Use the posi tabs to connect 12 volts constant power wire. Nice and snug. Connect Grom 12 volts constant wire into the 12 volts constant wire on your main stereo port. Tight, nice and snug. Connect the adapter into the main stereo port. That's it, you don't need that anymore. Okay, then you use your Grom specific harness to connect to the extension port, unplug the vehicle connector, connect it to the Grom and put it back. There's a simple connections. Then you go to disconnect your satellite antenna from the receiver. You don't need it anymore because it will work as an emulation of your satellite radio. You can go for CD as well. Then find the way under the dash behind to run a wire into your glove box. Then you go and put your baby there. There's a Grom box. Connect it and let it stay there. It's placed. You have a Bluetooth connector connected that cable as well. It will work as your Bluetooth. You can respond to calls and control everything on your vehicle interface. Circle your ignition and you can see on your display shows XM, means you're emulating the radio. And here you go. Now that simple, switch the track. Like it, comment, ask question, have fun.